Africa tempo. Africa tempo God did for we. You remember me, Dunya Macan, Dunya Sebu, African tempo. Africa tempo, Dunya Macan, yes, Sebu. Ade body, ade with you, member. Africa tempo, Dunya Macan, yes, Sebu.
Kamboulem, Kabo. Salut à tous les téléspectateurs. Welcome again to this wonderful program. The program where really they bring to you happiness musically, where they make you see videos of artists them in those days where you great grandpa be they play them audios and you be they think if then music there gets clips them. And SLBC TV now the only TV is this where they make you see really waiting be the happy musically in those days until they get opportunity for see them videos there. And again today see videos of artists them nowadays where still they maintain with African tradition, where really they portray what we call with African culture. And we don't take a long time, yes, for sure. We know they see this program, but this is how we do things. We know say free to not to salon no more. And I try for can Kenny for can learn a little bit of Sierra Leone tradition. As you know, almost say me now one person will go out of salon and I know can base na Freetown. So I decide for come at the interior part of the country for no areas in Mektambaka, Kono, Konadugu district, all the areas and they for land with tradition for no say yes, Sierra Leone, not to only Freetown is stopping. I don't know a lot of things then. So welcome again to this wonderful program and this is non-stop. As I always they say, I been on they go around Freetown for get somebody way for train at least when we they go small, then people and they go able to take over this wonderful program for sure. Freetown I know will get, Makeni I don't get, and next week surely I will show now this young guy way. We the call Makena presently Tempo Junior. That's how we do things. Once again, Kabo. We they can give you two good videos. One they come on Bamako and the other one from Guinea Conakry. Just take you Kotowawo, you pedal quick and surely you reach Guinea Conakry for see this wonderful guy. The first one are from Mama Kandia Kuyate, where in a Yeliba come into music too in Grandpa and in Fambulem. They are all Yelibas. And it can with a tattoo in a Mbe Nsara. It try for tell you say today you day, tomorrow you know for day. But what you do today? Somebody will replace you. This is what we are doing in African Tempo. The other from Guinea Conakry, in a Napati Moloko, it come with a video where na Fulbe. Inside Fula, it try for tell you say it's a Fula day. Then they Guinea, then they Sierra Leone, then they Burkina Faso, then they Niger, then they Togo, and they even the Senegal and Mauritania. So Fula they all over Africa in a wonderful song, African Tempo. The only program where they make you see what they happy musically and give the opportunity for see videos of artists then where they promote with African traditional language and instruments into the music.
Tigini tamantiki babi jare manen kuma e joni tae segebo segesi manen kuma e tae alla tigini tamantiki manen jalilu jalia kuma e joni tae kuyadela segeko jalia kuma e joni tae ye bala e anfe so bala ni tamaye no be segeko Balanita mañana, cuídatela. Mande cuídate falivirina, manicare. Toma por dunia. Ni mala ni fuaka ni. Konga fo jeli munu ma jeli ala moroya ani horo nyumanu kele kanja jeli nyame dora yetune me kuya de fori fola ma fola jeli sina manie kuyate jeli le ko kabiri gani adalo bora kesabaro mande musa si masamba si baduru madi ke bakoro jeli makuyate bo jeli fi mana ge ba yari sirifu mana ke jeli luro fa jeli dula sirifu le jere iye mahamani ibollo bila mande bala baro sare
ko pullo jeyi dingirana yi ko pullo jeyi ka juroy wuro ko pullo yira beye bali ko pullo jeyi ka wala ko bebe besalmina ma ful bebe besalmina ma fu
Enjoy them two good videos then yes for a very long time and only see that type of music on SLBC TV for sure. We make sure so we give away what we want, and the only TV station where they make you see music of artists them where they promote with African local languages them. If you just catch me on the way, the first video you be seeing now from Malibama Kowe na Kanja Kuyate, and the title na Mbe Insara na isa Madingo they sing, and the second one na Pate Moloko from Guinea Conakry where the title na Fulbe and they sing inside Fula language. I can say Njarama. If you come up from Burkina Faso, Jamyuale. We can go again another two good videos. Them one they come out Cote d'Ivoire and the other one they come out Benin. Cote d'Ivoire na this guy in name na Ernesto JJ, a born na Ganyoa. He come with a song where people they don't used to for a very long time where na Ziboti. He creates a dance where he called Ziglibiti. And this guy in Papana from Senegal, mama from Cote d'Ivoire, and Ivory Coast and get down. Mama business. So when you mama come out that specific country, automatically they call you for being an Ivorian. Yeah, this guy they come with a song where he called Ziglibicien. Ziglibicien inside French, inside English it means Ziglibician. He creates this dance for the people that we like in music, and the title once again as Ziglibicien, it just means Ziglibician. That it means all the one the way they dance to the music Ziglibiti, they are called Ziglibician. A wonderful song. Ernesto JJ again may so rest in perfect peace. And we they go Benin for see Papa JJ Vicky. This is one of the guys in this way. In those days, we sell the Benin flag out of Benin. One of the people in this way sell Benin to another level, take them out of Africa. Again, in name now JJ Vicky. It comes with a title where the title inside French it means Vive les mariés. It just means hope to the one day we don't married and a married song. And I hope say Salon before begin use this music. I never mind na inside French, but now for people that way they married. Now a love song, a very good song. Cette chanson c'est pour vous. Appréciez.
Why you didn't know it? Yeah. Coco Sapusam, why you didn't know it? Zigiri Jen, Kiwaka, Wajarabawa. Gripa Vene, Gore Mabiadin. Yeah. We are Swane Hakiero here. Coco Sapusam, why you didn't know it? Coco Sapusam, why you didn't know it? Yeah. Zigiri Jen, Kiwaka Wajarabawa. Gripa Vene, Gore Mabiadin. We are Swane Hakiero here. Yeah, for the Kissikivian as he got. Oh, for the Kissikivian as he got it. Yeah, Korea Sipole, Gigina Sipole, oh, Dakia Sipole, yeah, Korea Sipole, Sipole, Jebitian, Security, Obitian, Security,
aussi bien que pour le pire. Ils viennent de s'unir dans un long baiser. Ils partageront leurs joies et leurs peines devant Dieu et devant les hommes. Pour le meilleur aussi bien que pour le pire. Ils viennent de s'unir dans un long baiser. Ils partageront leurs joies et leurs peines. Ils se sont attirés, ils se sont regardés, ils ne voient plus rien, ils ne cherchent plus rien, ils ont tout trouvé. Elle savait lui son rêve, plus d'aventure. Ils se sont rencontrés, ils se sont attirés, ils se sont regardés, ils ne voient plus rien, ils ne cherchent plus rien, ils ont tout trouvé. Elle savait lui son rêve, plus d'aventure. Devant Dieu et devant les hommes, pour le meilleur aussi bien que pour le pire. Ils viennent de s'unir dans un long baiser. Ils partageront leurs joies et leurs peines devant Dieu et devant les hommes, pour le meilleur aussi bien que pour le pire. Ils viennent de s'unir dans un long baiser. Ils partageront leurs joies et leurs peines.
I hope say when I really get the flavor African tempo, and so we do things, we are making sure that we satisfy una musically and give what una want. SLBC we know say all the time we entertain, we inform and we educate, and this is the entertainment sector of SLBC. African tempo, sure it don't take a long time. We really will not be the series program, but I'm really sorry, and we sorry. The one who staff management they tell us sorry because as I tell you now in the intro say Ademakeni, I come for Kanlan, a lot of things then because you know go the name of Freetown you say na Sierra Leone you day. At least you for know you country in culture, and I saw for do again. Maybe one day go na the south, go learn again the little bit of tradition every day. But I tell you it will say if una not go for the seminar TV once in a while, a young guy they where I don't look all over Freetown and not able to get somebody way go able to do this program. But Makini when I come and meet somebody way capable, we really get the talent and he able for really give waiting at the guna today so and he able give more than what at the guna maybe because he's young and he get a long way for go and that's how we do things. Next week surely I go come with this young guy and we will see how it display. We can go again two good videos there. One they come out Congo and the other one they come out Congo Brazza. So we just in at the same area, Congo DRC and Congo Brazza. Congo DRC we go see Marie-Claire Umboyo Moseka, what we call Mbiliabel. This lady come into music too, Abiti Masikini, and from there they get for join the Afri Jazz, where if they with Papa Woshiro Tabule, we not the anymore, Papa may so rest in perfect peace. Mbiliabel they come with a title here winner, Faux Pas. if you get a girl picking with Roshiro Tabuli, maybe now from there you get this initiative for come with this song where you say faux pas, that's a bad step or a mistake. We just take with Zembijan or we take with Kotowao, we go na Congo Brazzaville. For go see les Bantous de la capitale de Brazza. This now a group of old elders, and now in those days we say they do well, and today they decide for come together for do this song where now a salsa for you, and you will like salsa music, like typical African salsa and African tempo. We make sure so we satisfy that musically. Just watch this and appreciate it. I'll be back.
Yeba mobali azali ndewa Banco Internacional de nuevo. En el fuego de la salsa. Para que gocen esta conga que viene especialmente de Congo Brazzaville. Boris Caicedo, la baila la más caliente del momento. Rómpela, chico.
You can send your comments and you critiques them to the number where they see now you screen, and the email now the same Sebue at yahoo.fr. Send your comments, tell we anything you want to tell we, and really we will make sure so we improve. SLBC, the only TV station where they make you see what it happen musically and where they give the real African taste. Where they can't give again 2 good videos them. If you just get you on the line, this is African Tempo, the only program where really they satisfy your musical libido. Where they can't give 2 good videos them. One they come out Cameroon and the other one they come out Senegal. This from Cameroon are Money Bile. Money Bile na somebody we don't make name in those days, and it come with a title Yawena Tapalambo. This is a song where a lot of people them be don't dance to, and some can say, who say this man they get them videos in here? SLBC. We know they work because of one for work, we work because the talent day, and we ready for satisfy now anytime, anyhow, and anyway. Once again, I'm Money Bile from Cameroon, and the title of this video na Tapalambo. Surely, we get for appreciate, and I know say some of you get for create a stage. Now we pala for sure. From there, we go Senegal, we say Nangadef to all the Senegalese them we they salon. for see Papa Youssou N'Dour when the Minister of Tourism and Culture of Senegal, and he gets one of the biggest TV stations where they grow. And they kind of with a title where we all don't see this video and I don't appreciate it and I like this video. And one of these videos and this will sell this guy out of Senegal. And the creator of this Senegalese traditional style of doing music where they call the Mbalax. And they kind of with a title when Bigima. Bigima na a praise song of somebody where take Youssou N'Dour for being in Yeliba. That means in Griot. Or somebody where they be for the praise. Say yes, Papa, you are doing well. When you do good in the area, somebody for talk and say yes, you do good. If you do bad, may somebody point at you say yes, you do good. Salon, we are going faster, and one day we will reach the peak we want for reach. And I will say kudos to the new Minister of Tourism and Culture. Yes, this is how we do things. Make sure so we sell Sierra Leone out of Mama Salon. From Cameroon, Monibile, Tapalambo, and a love song as well. And the last one now from Senegal, Youssou N'Dour with Tetuna Bigima. Appreciate it.
nilambo no wazawa yona benita yamishu mayamniyo yona benita yamijala na papa mulen matobongo yetmalati mayamniyo Nilambo no wazawa yona benita yaminolo mayamniyo
May sitting the yoro, ya mom dile. May sitting the yoro, ya mom dile. May sitting the yoro, ya mom lile. No way be the man. Fuyendo mayendo fayendo nade. Mayendo fayendo nane. Buri samba no be, ya mom dile. Buri samba no be, ya mom dile. Buri samba no be, ya mom lile. Ne wo ibirima. Mayendo fayendo nane. The men may attend the joro, Samawaji kendula jamnane. Giringone man lobe samba kulima chasengina biram gamo ngone ma chanyas mbey ma chajeri yonan ni na babar mi mademba sek madal andatam mi sate de jar urmar mami andak mani ngone sabel mi tete meli chawi samaya sina tike mai kujadaki yai borom babo ine woy filma yow sama waji kendula jamnane.
Say sorry to all reviewers them where it don't take a very long time they need to see this program for sure. It not go stop again because as I tell you now say we for learn for no tradition. So I decide for Kama Kenny so they presently for at least learn certain traditions them. So they left for now with two good videos them. One from Mama Brr, with Mama Brenda Fassi from South Africa, you know the animal game Mama May Soulless Imperfect Pigs, and this song now a very good song where it titled Sungulala. Now a love song, a soulful song, a song where really mean a lot inside Zulu language. And from there we go left now with this group they called TPOK Jazz, where they come with the title winner Hadza. Some of you go they ask, who said this video come out? SLBC. we always they make sure see we give now what you don't expect for see African Tempo. The only program where they make you see what in the happen. Don't forget to say next week we go get I go there with me co-presenter the one way at the train presently for begin for giving us this wonderful program, and I know say it get for be and non-stop. Thank you to Una way to watch this program. Just send a comment to the number where you see and as well your email address, and surely we will begin and continue for the lead on our text messages next week. Inshallah, God great. Bye.
Toko kiko loba, toko kiko yemba, toko kiko somba, vewe na azda, 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 azda. Kombo ya sika, bazaiwa bapesi. Kombo ya difko ekunda milelo toko ni azda. Toko kiko loba, toko kiko yemba, toko kiko somba, vewe na azda, 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 azda. Kombo ya sika bazaiwa bapesi. kombo ya Difko ekundami lelo toponi Asda. Asda kombo ya sika Difko tosi tokunda yo à jamais. Tokoki koloba, tokoki koyemba, tokoki kosomba, vewe na Asda, 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 Asda. Kombo ya sika bazairwa bapesi, kombo ya Difko ekundami lelo toponi Asda. Nakosomba nanga vewe na Asda, Asda, Asda. Nakokumba baninga vewe probleme janite. Elokwendi mami na Zaire vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Vewe 1200 baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Vewe 1300 baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Vewe 1303 vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Vewe 412 vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Vewe 470 baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Vewe kombi na ambulance vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Lubumbashi baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Likasi baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Kolwezi baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Kisangani baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Goma baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Kananga baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Mbuzima ibaninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Mbandaka baninga vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika. Asda na Bazair vewe, 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 vewe. Komande na Asda, Asda kombo ya sika.
Oh, Africa tempo, yeah. Africa tempo God did for we. You remember me, dunya makan, dunya sebu. African tempo, Africa tempo, dunya makan, yes sebu. Ade body, ade with you, member. Africa Africa tempo dunya makaye